If you're practicing in healthcare today, you can't help but come across the term stem cells and regenerative medicine. It's clearly the new frontier of healthcare and definitely the directional trend that our nation and even the world is going to head over the next 10 to 15 years. It's going to become more about treating the root cause of disease than treating the symptoms as we currently do in our allopathic medical model. But the world of stem cell can be so complex, and regenerative medicine as well. What are they? How do they work? When do they use them? What do we charge for them? How often do we give them to our patients? What can they expect? To navigate this minefield of questions and misinformation in the regenerative medicine field is very difficult to do on one's own. That's why we recommend working with Dr. David Singer and David Singer Enterprises, which is an expert in helping people at step one medical integration of these regenerative techniques into their practice. Sourcing the products, learning the clinical techniques, creating the medical legal corporation in order to offer these services to your patient, forms and compliance, and probably most importantly of all, how to sell. And while I don't want to talk too much about money because we didn't get into healthcare to make money, we get into healthcare to help people, but we do have to make money to stay open and to be able to offer that help to folks. So it's a necessary evil that we have to get comfortable, get good with, and embrace. And unfortunately, it's not something that's taught in medical school or chiropractic college. So hiring an expert to do your taxes is something we all do every year. Why not also hire an expert to teach you how to educate and not sell, but let your customers buy these techniques from you? Because we like to buy as humans. It's part of our psyche. We don't like to be sold. So it's very important how you impart this information, what you impart, and getting it right. So having that end-to-end solution to navigate this quagmire of questions and concerns and regulatory restrictions, you should have a coach for that. And I trust and highly recommend Dr. David Singer to walk you through that path, as he has with hundreds of other practices, integrating regenerative medicine for the very first time.